About 18 people have died in this incident and several have been injured. This is the latest information that we're tracking for you. The Delhi police now saying that the death toll has risen in this case. 18 people have lost their lives in the stampede that had taken place at the New Delhi railway station last night. Remember, this is a horrific incident that has happened. Let me take you through what exactly has happened so far. About 18 people have lost their lives, including 13 women, and several others have been injured in the stampede that was triggered by a surge in the crowd of passengers that were waiting to board trains to Prayagraj for a special train to Mahakumbh. My colleague Anushka joins us with more details. Anushka, take us to the latest. We're learning that the death toll has gone up to 18 now.
Well, certainly at least 18 people, including 13 women and 4 children, were killed, and over a dozen were injured in a stampede at New Delhi railway station on Saturday. It was caused by a sudden rush of passengers who tried to board trains for the Mahakumbh and Prayagraj. Now, also we are seeing that in a statement, the Ministry of Railways has said a high-level inquiry has been ordered into the unfortunate incident. Also, we are saying the Deputy Commissioner of Police said many people were present on platform number 14 when the Prayagraj Express train stood at the platform. The Swatantrata Senani Express and Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express were delayed, and the passengers of these trains were also present on platform number 12, 13 and 14. Now, some witnesses have also said that due to a huge rush at the station, several passengers fainted due to suffocation. Also, we are seeing that the Prime Minister has tweeted about this whole incident and said that he was distressed, and we're also seeing several of the people who were now shifted to LNGT hospital. Several of the people we are seeing that lost their lives here, but also we are seeing that full probe has been ordered into the situation as to what happened. We saw 18 people now. The death toll has increased to 18. Remember, last night around 9:55 a.m., the fire brigade was given an information from the NDLS station that a stampede-like situation had occurred. A fear was there among people as to what will happen, and we saw such an unfortunate incident take place at the NDLS station yesterday night only. Back to studio.
Right, Anushka, we're hearing in fact some quite horrifying eyewitness details as well when it comes to this particular stampede. We're learning that as people rushed to board the special train that was announced after the delay of the 2 trains, the situation had in fact spiraled out of control because passengers were pushing each other, and because of the sudden surge in crowd and the amount of suffocation that was happening on that station on platform number 14, that the passengers were fainting amid the sudden surge in the crowd, and this of course sparked rumors of a stampede, which then led to further panic and created a bottleneck sort of situation while people were trying to board that train. We're of course also learning that people had lost their loved ones, their family. There some people saying they'd lost their mother because of the amount of crowd, and that people were pushing each other, and they were even unable to get to people or get to their family members when this incident was taking place. Colleague Atul Ranjan in fact reports from the New Delhi railway station. Let's quickly take a look at the situation there.
नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन के प्लेटफॉर्म 14 और 15 पर बीती रात हुई भगदड़ में कई लोग मारे गए, कई लोग घायल हो गए। हालांकि रात को क्या स्थिति थी वो जानने के लिए हमारे साथ उस वक्त जब भगदड़ हो रही थी उस वक्त चश्मदीद है, हम इनसे बात करेंगे। क्या नाम है आपका?
किशोरी लाल सैनी जी।
किशोरी लाल जी, आप यहीं पे थे रात को?
हाँ सर, यहीं पे था।
क्या स्थिति थी उस समय, ये जरा बताएं।
स्थिति ये थी, कभी तो 15 पे बोल रहे हैं सर, कभी 12 पे, कभी 15 पे, मतलब दोनों साइड बदलने को, कभी इधर कभी उधर, मतलब पूरा झुंड बना दिया। सारे इकट्ठे हो गए, एकदम रुगली रेल आया, ये देखो उधर, यहाँ तो लूट मार भी किया, मोबाइल था मेरे पास, पैसे थे उसमें, सब गायब हो गए।
अच्छा, लूट मार भी हुई है। और 15 का जो फुट ओवर ब्रिज है और ये पूरा 14 और 15 आप देखिए मेरी बाईं ओर जो है यहाँ पर ये प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14 है, वहीं दाईं ओर आप देखिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 15 है और यहीं आप देखिए पीछे जो फुट ओवर ब्रिज आप देख सकती हैं जहाँ पर फिलहाल अभी भी भीड़ की स्थिति है, क्योंकि अभी अभी एक प्रयागराज एक्सप्रेस जो है नई दिल्ली पहुँची है। उसके बाद आप देखिए कि कुछ इसी तरह का भीड़ और नज़ारा जो है वो बीती रात देखने को मिला था। और वो जो फुट ओवर ब्रिज देख रही हैं आप, वहीं पर जो है लोग जो है वो घायल हो गए थे। हमने दिखाया अभी कुछ देर पहले कि किस तरह से जो प्लेटफॉर्म की जो छतें हैं उस पर अभी भी चप्पल, जो खाने का सामान है, कपड़े हैं आदि जो है वो बिखरे पड़े हैं। वो स्थिति फिलहाल रात को थी। हालांकि अभी जो है स्थिति थोड़ी बेहतर है, लेकिन अभी जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि एक नई प्रयागराज एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन आई है तो उस वजह से थोड़ी भीड़ यहाँ पर बढ़ गई है और चहल पहल बढ़ गई है। फिलहाल प्रशासन जो है पूरी तरह से तैयार है। यहाँ पर नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन पर भारी संख्या में जो है पुलिस बल जो है अलग अलग जगह पर तैनात हैं। कम से कम एक दर्जन जो है एम्बुलेंस भी जो है वो नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर जो है वो तैनात कर दी गई है। और फिलहाल आप स्थिति देखिए कि जो लोग हैं यहाँ पे स्थानीय हैं, उनका ये कहना है कि फिलहाल भीड़ जो है वो रात से कम है। लेकिन अभी भी आप देखिए कि मेरे पीछे काफ़ी आप भीड़ देख सकती हैं। यहाँ पर मीडिया काफ़ी भारी संख्या में मौजूद है। जी
Right, he is of course saying that the situation on the ground again seems to be quite tense because of the amount of crowd that's still there on the on the railway station platforms. But of course, the latest as far as the situation is concerned is that 18 people have died.
तो सुरक्षा के पर्याप्त बंदोबस्त क्यों नहीं किए गए। अब आप देखिए कि प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14 पर जहां से प्रयागराज 10:10 पर प्रयागराज के लिए चलती है, उस पर पहले से ही स्वतंत्रता सेनानी जो कि लेट थी ट्रेन, वहां के यात्री पहले से उस प्लेटफॉर्म पर मौजूद थे 14 और 15 पर। और उसके बाद में इस ट्रेन को पकड़ने के लिए तमाम सारे लोग पहुंचना शुरू हो गए। तो आपके पास में कैमरे लगे हुए हैं और बाहर भी तमाम सारे सुरक्षा कर्मी तैनात रहते हैं। तो आखिर सबको जो है वो टिकट, वेटिंग का भी टिकट दे दिया गया, जनरल का भी टिकट दे दिया गया और ये सारे लोग प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14 पर पहुंचने लगे। अब प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14 पर एक अफवाह फैली कि ट्रेन जो है वो अब प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 16 पर आएगी। इसी के चलते पूरा जो भगदड़ है ये मचा है और फिलहाल 18 लोगों की इसमें मौत हुई है, जिसमें 14 महिलाएं हैं, 3 बच्चे हैं, 2 दर्जन से ज्यादा लोग घायल हैं। कुछ घायलों को प्राथमिक उपचार के बाद में छुट्टी दे दी गई है, कुछ घायलों का इलाज चल रहा है।
Right, that's the latest that we're learning as far as the death toll is concerned. 18 people have died and that includes 13 women at this railway station. Remember, like my colleague was mentioning, there was of course misinformation or rumors that were spreading amongst the passengers who were waiting on platform number 14 that perhaps a special train was going to be arriving on a different platform, and that caused panic right before the special train was announced. This of course happened after 2 expresses that were heading to Prayagraj for Mahakumbh were delayed, and after the delay a special train was announced, and as these passengers were boarding the special train, there was some amount of panic because that was the only train that would then go to Prayagraj, because the other 2 trains were delayed. Now we're also learning that Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has met with the injured people who've been admitted at the LNJP hospital. Remember, dozens of people were injured in the stampede that took place late last night at around 10 p.m. at the New Delhi railway station, as several passengers thronged the railway station to board trains to Prayagraj for Mahakumbh. Now, when the special train was announced, there was a rush and chaos that occurred, subsequently leading to a stampede-like situation. Although the police tried to control the situation, we're learning that they were unable to because of the sheer number of people on the railway station. Now, there, of course, the eyewitness is saying that it happened in such a short amount of time that they have no idea how or why this happened, and that why so many people all of a sudden started pushing each other and panicking. We are learning, however, from the ground, from our reporters, that perhaps there were rumors spread as far as the train and which platform it's going to be coming on, and that caused some amount of panic that the passengers would perhaps miss this train. Now, like I said, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva is meeting with the injured people who've been admitted at the LNJP hospital. He's meeting the people who have been injured there at the LNJP hospital. Remember, these injured passengers have been taken to various hospitals nearby to provide treatment. We're also learning that some of them have been taken to Lok Nayak Hospital, and this is of course Delhi BJP President meeting them, meeting those injured in the hospital.
पुल है ना, इसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा पब्लिक हो गई थी और पब्लिक को बहुत कंट्रोल करा पुलिस ने, लेकिन पब्लिक इतनी हो गई थी कि लिमिट से ज़्यादा वो संभाल ही नहीं पा रहे थे, इतनी पब्लिक आ गई थी। अब यहाँ दोनों तरफ गाड़ियाँ खड़ी थी तो ऊपर पुल के ऊपर जो है वो भगदड़ मच गई, उसकी वजह से जो भी नुकसान हुआ वहीं हुआ है। प्लेटफार्म तो खाली था, प्लेटफार्म पर भीड़ नहीं थी, प्लेटफार्म में तो सवारियाँ गाड़ियों में बैठी हुई थी, जितनी भी भीड़ थी सब पुल के ऊपर थी और जो भी ड्रामा हुआ सब पुल के ऊपर ही हुआ है। पब्लिक इतनी आ गई कि इतना अनुमान ही नहीं था कि ऐसा, हमने आज तक ऐसी पब्लिक नहीं देखी। 26 साल हमें यहाँ पे हो गए, ऐसा तो आज तक कभी छठ पूजा पे भी नहीं हुआ जैसा रात पब्लिक आई थी। पता नहीं कहाँ से इतनी पब्लिक आई और पूरी रात गाड़ियाँ चलने के बाद भी देखो अभी तक पब्लिक कम नहीं है, इतनी पब्लिक आ गई।
बेसिकली एक टाइम पे ट्रेन का डिले, कुछ तो ट्रेन डिले हो गई थी और उसके अलावा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टिकट्स थी जो कि लोगों ने उस टाइम पे परचेज करी थी प्रयागराज के लिए, जहाँ और स्टेशन के लिए। वो सारा क्राउड इन कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे ज्यादा इकट्ठा हो गया, उसमें थोड़ी भगदड़। क्राउड का अंदाजा हम लोगों ने लगाया था और सिचुएशन में बता रहा हूँ, जो पूरा टाइम फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द टाइम जिसमें 10 मिनट में हुआ, उसमें ज्यादा लोगों का आना, उसके अलावा 2 ट्रेन का डिले होना। बाकी ये मैटर जो है एग्जैक्टली जो फैक्ट फाइंडिंग है वो रेलवे की तरफ से फैक्ट फाइंडिंग होगी। हमारी तरफ से जो है, हमारा आज के दिन का काम एज ए GRP हमारा है फॉर द इंक्वेस्ट एंड अदर प्रोसीडिंग, वो हमारी यूनिट कर रही है।
So the current situation as far as the New Delhi railway station is concerned is that the situation is still tense because several people, of course, this of course is in the aftermath of the stampede that took place late last night. 18 people have lost their lives, several others injured and taken to the railway station after the rush that took place on the New Delhi railway station, platform number 14, after a special train for the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj was delayed and another train was announced. Prime Minister Modi as well as Defence Minister, the President as well have expressed their grief. The Railway Minister has ordered a high-level probe or inquiry into this incident. We're learning that after the delay was announced, about 15 to 20 minutes later, chaos broke out as passengers started rushing forward. Some of them say they have no idea why people started pushing each other, which led to multiple casualties and injuries as well. As far as the latest is concerned, leaders, of course, having come out and meeting with the injured as well. Ashwini Vaishnaw also saying that 4 special trains to evacuate the sudden rush at New Delhi railway station had been announced as well. Late last night at around 12 a.m. these 4 trains were then announced to evacuate the people who are at the railway station. He also said that close to midnight the rush had come down. But remember, at around 10 p.m. was when the stampede took place. Several people have died. 18 people, in fact, have lost their lives, which includes 13 women. Now, those who were injured in this incident have been admitted in the hospital. These are visuals of Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva meeting those injured at the LNJP hospital. This is the latest as far as the incident is concerned. The current situation at the New Delhi railway station, however, is still tense. The crowd is still high as people are rushing to board their trains. But the stampede situation, of course, had reduced after about an hour late last night, close to midnight. We are learning that the police as well as the railway ministry had said that the rush had come down. The situation, however, at the New Delhi railway station is still tense. There are more people still on the platform waiting for their trains. Now, this particular incident, of course, occurred late last night after a train to Prayagraj was delayed. 2 expresses, in fact, were delayed And once the delay was announced, a special train was announced as well. We're learning that as per eyewitnesses and as per the Delhi police, there were rumors that were going around in terms of the delay of the train or the platform on which the train was about to dock, and that caused some amount of panic and chaos, post which people started panicking and pushing each other, which led to a stampede situation. My colleague Atul Ranjan reports from the ground at the New Delhi railway station. Atul, take us to the situation on ground at this point. We're learning that the crowd still there, people waiting to board their trains.
Yeah, so right now I'm standing at the New Delhi railway station's platform number 14 and 15, and just a while ago, because this Prayagraj Express here right on my right side on the platform number 15 arrived, so what we saw few moments back was a huge rush of crowd, and maybe a similar situation that it kind of sort of created when what we saw last night. You can see a foot-over bridge behind me here, and that is the foot-over bridge where the entire chaos, the entire stampede, that is what happened, and a lot of rush of people, from platform 14 and 15, probably mixed up at around 9:50, 9:55 late in the evening yesterday, and that is what we're learning from people who were present here, the eyewitnesses. They say that the announcement or probably a rumor of announcement of change of platform at the last moment is what caused this whole rush of people, having the whole luggage and the family members rushing to a different platform, and that is what is said to have caused the whole havoc here, that has caused, at least claimed at least 18 lives, and at least several people are said to be injured. What we have spoken to local people, they say that clearly, the foot-over bridge that you see behind me, that is the place where people, a lot of people just started moving towards platform 16, while at the same time several people started coming from platform 16 towards platform 14 and 15, and that is what caused that whole clash situation, and that has resulted in deaths of several people. Yeah, as of now, situation is much better out here, both on the platform 14, 15, 16, and also at the outside of the New Delhi railway station, where a lot of police bandobast can be seen. At least 12 ambulances have been deployed for proactive measures. Yes.
Right, Atul, and like you said, there was perhaps some sort of misinformation with regards to the platform for the special train, and an inquiry has now been announced into what exactly happened and why there was not enough information and not enough police deployment on the railway station as well.
Clearly, that's a big question, because this crowd was clearly anticipated. It was a weekend. People have been flocking towards Prayagraj for Mahakumbh, and that is something which can be assumed that administration was pretty much aware of what was the situation likely to be. So, in that, given that situation, a question definitely arises: what was the preparations? Were any special preparations were made for this, this whole, human gathering out here at the New Delhi railway station? That is a big question. And since whatever the incident has happened, we see a high-level inquiry has been ordered. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, he himself visited the railway station late last night. A while ago, I saw, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to arrive at the situation to take stock of the whole situation. We see several railway officials, moving around and taking, stock of the situation and seeing if the preparations are better than what they were yesterday. So clearly, a lot of questions for Railway Ministry to answer, administration to answer over preparations and what proactive measures did police took regarding the crowd control. What we are seeing today, because as I mentioned earlier, we see a lot of police bandobast outside. We see a lot of ambulance have been deployed here for proactive measures. So that is what was missing yesterday. And of course, the rumor mongering is what people are blaming, because as of now, however, it's not clear if the change at the last moment change of platform was a rumor, or was it a legitimate announcement that was made at the platform that caused the whole damage. Yeah.